Are you looking for hands-on, engaging, fun, and actually doable science activities for your little ones? Whether you're a homeschool parent, a co-op leader, or just a parent who wants to sneak in some screen-free learning this summer, I've got you. Hey guys, it's Vani from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm excited about this video. I know a lot of my videos lately have been leaning towards whatever ages my kids are in, but I did a poll. You guys want curriculum reviews. I know that some of you guys have a few kids, some of you guys have a wide range of kids, so I want to make sure that I am reviewing curriculum for you guys of the different ages. And today video is for those of you who have preschoolers, kindergarteners, and first and second graders. So I should have just said preschool through second grade. Well, actually in this video, I'm gonna focus on the pre-K to kindergarten age group. When my youngest child, who's now 9, was in preschool and kindergarten, it was hard to find a science that wasn't reading heavy, that was just like really hands-on and fun. So I decided to create my own course and teach it at our homeschool co-op, and it turned out to be a success. So I have here my mini scientist, tiny hands, big discoveries, first and second semester units. I'm gonna give you a look inside these. These are written out with a time frame for my classes, but you're gonna get to see the basics of it. I am slowly putting them onto Teachers Pay, Teachers for You by unit. So you can pick and choose, and I am working on putting a bundle together. Eventually there'll be a big bundle with all of them in there as one unit for the entire year. So this has 33 science lessons in it. The purpose is to introduce your little ones into every science topic that you can think of in a gentle way, while giving them a love for learning, because everything is full of games and hands-on activities and experiments. Your kids are gonna love these lessons. They're mostly based on the Let's Read and Find Out science books, but some of those books can be a little advanced for this age group. So when they are, I'll either skim through the pages or I will find another book on the topic that resonates with the kids better. But when you go on Teachers Pay Teachers, you're gonna be able to find the lesson plan, any worksheets needed, any materials, book lists, and video links all in one. So let me just show you what it looks like. Okay guys, remember this is my copy. Yours is gonna be a lot more polished. So I'm gonna read to you, I broke this down into semesters. I do 1 hour a week because we have co-op once a week, but that 1 hour can totally be broken up to doing a different activity every day based on the same topic, based on your child's needs. So we are going to be talking about the scientific method, solids, liquids, and gases, sounds, planets, constellations, spiders, the skeletons, pumpkins, and I left those 3 for around October, and for those of you who like Halloween or just around that season. Bugs are insects, air is all around you, what's alive. Sneezy the Snowman is about germs, animals in winter. And then in part 2, they're gonna be learning their 5 senses, what it's like being a fish, about mammals. This one's called Whales Drink Milk, how baby animals stay safe, clouds, what makes a shadow, the weather, Pop, a book of bubbles, how to catch a leprechaun in March, bird beaks, a peek at beaks, dinosaurs, Thump Goes the Rabbit, which is about animal communication. Might be some Easter science activities, learning about trees, and some review activities as well. So when you look in here, for example, this is a lesson on clouds. It's gonna tell you, it's gonna be written to a parent, not to a classroom. Unless you are a co-op leader and you're interested in this type of unit, then let me know and I'll recreate it. But it gives you the link. So this one obviously is printed out. I can't touch it and make a link come up, but when you get the PDF, you'll be able to click the link for the cloud video, and then it tells you what activity is gonna happen. It tells you the materials, and then you're going to have details on how to create the cloud craft. So you have a cloud craft here that I'm gonna go into detail how to make. There's gonna be a video series with this that's gonna teach you guys how to do everything. How to do the puffy paint, how to do the chalk clouding, drawing. It's gonna go together with the printable. So I'm working on that entire course for you guys. So if you guys are interested, drop me a comment below. That way I can know how fast to work on this. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I know I'm not showing you too much. It's just that, like I said, this one was for me. So I don't have everything printed out yet. That is gonna be for you guys, but I am working on that. But it's a fun, fantastic class for your little ones, completely hands-on, but lots of learning is happening here. So I'm even going in the beginning of the video, you see some clips from what we have done in our classes, because I tried to make it as fun and engaging as possible, keeping the attention span of 14 4-year-olds. Was a bit of a challenge, but I worked it out.
Also, the reason why you don't see too many worksheets is because we don't use many worksheets. All of the activities are literally hands-on.
Maybe your kids are too old for this. I know you have some moms who have little ones. Maybe they're just hanging out at home this summer, or they're gonna be beginning to start homeschooling. This could definitely be a full unit for children of that age, because when you have kids, preschool, kindergarten, you don't really need a curriculum like a science curriculum like The Good and the Beautiful or Apologia. That's too much. Like, you need to, I feel that you need hands-on, fun, messy hands if they can tolerate it, little bit of noise, lots of games, lots of review, books, videos, like just fun stuff so that it can stay in their minds. And when they learn about it more in detail and they're a little older, they can link it to that fun activity that they made when they made the elephant toothpaste or the oobleck, or they went outside with their cloud viewers and things like that. So if you want a hands-on fun science activity, or you know somebody who might, please send them over this video, guys. And thank you for watching. You got lots more reviews for different things coming up, and I'll see you in the next one.